How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. We're going to go over AMC as this, this thing had a dramatic move up and then same repeat in 2021 and caught a lot of people off guard. I'm going to show you guys my system, my band strategy, what I look for, and all that. So, and if you guys haven't already, check out the premium Discord, as that is where you're going to get the best knowledge, the best education, and real time, instant, alerts and all that, because the price moves every day. So if I make a video and I see something else happening, for the people who are in my Discord or the subscribers, CRNC. We mistimed the entry, but I was able to get out at the EMA5, hurry up and reset it. So that's what this is for, right? If you want to join it, it's going to look like this. You can join it down below into YouTube comments. It's only $6 a month. It's not really a big deal. But you guys want to see AMC? Let's see what we're looking at. Like I said, for the meme stock craziness happening, we always target an 8 ATR on my band strategy. When price gets close to the upper band, it is an extreme sell-off zone. It doesn't mean, you should not be buying this. If you're buying this, your risk versus reward is out the roof, and you are at a casino playing slot machines, gambling, and you're going to go to zero. That's what happened here. Everybody went to the casino right up in this area, and it went all the way down. Where does price tend to go to? Always at my middle bands here. You have your EMA 5, 10, and 20. These are your exponential moving averages, and they're going to fluctuate as time goes. So when price go up, you're going to see your EMA 5 fluctuate with price, and that's completely normal. So you need to look at these things on real-time data, and a lot of the times I call these different areas of EMA 5 after a big move down is called your bounce effect. As you can see, we hit the EMA 5 and we have a nice little bounce up, right? So we go from all the way down here at $5 to at least $5.48 and to a high of $6.56. It's a nice little bounce effect. Your EMA 10 is your trampoline effect. I love this for accumulation area. I really do love it. It's a really nice area because we know, we had to hit these bands. So when we hit them, in a very fast moment where we go up fast and then go down, I love it for a nice trampoline effect. And look what you get here at the next day. You get a 10% move here, and it kind of goes down 3%, and then another 8% rally. Like, this is a nice area if you've seen this spot, and you're like, wow. I'm going to show you guys my bread and butter, but I'm talking about how to trade a momentum trade where it goes up big. None of my Discord members or YouTube subscribers that come in here should ever buy up in here. But then, as you can see, price has been looking very bullish. And we've seen what happened after hours. For GME, AMC hasn't really caught much attention, right? It was starting to go up here, and then at 525, and it just kind of started to diminish. So with GME's little thing going on after hours and, their news they had, I think AMC is definitely looking for a nice bounce. GME has a better looking chart, just based on the fact I will show you guys. We hit that EMA 20. Oh, whoops. We hit that EMA 20, and we satisfied the reversion to the mean, and we filled all this in. AMC, though, I think we should not rest on. I think this is looking very nice, guys. Let's not rest on this trade here, okay? As you can see, we're consolidating very nice. And yes, let's just say we do hit the EMA 20 down here. It is curling up as guys go, and we know it will. The EMA 20 is at 429. It is really not that big of a move down. By the time it hits it, it might be way up here anyways. So I am very bullish, guys, because, you're at the trampoline effect, all right? We hit the EMA 10. If you guys knew my system, took my advice on this, this is right here is your loading zones. EMA 5, not really. I only like it for a quick bounce effect on one day, and that's it. And you got it. You had your, you accumulate here, and you at least could get 529 and all the way up to 6. It's pretty good. But this right here is a nice loading zone for a nice area up, right? So this is looking very nice. Now you might ask, well, where do we target? We're obviously not going to target the high of the upper band at $11. Could it go back there? Absolutely. I'm never going to hold that against it, as the meme rallies could go and just straight up go, right? But we want to be conservative because you want to always lock in gains, because if you held through all this and didn't take your gains and then it goes all the way back down, it's like, what's the sense of it? You really do want to, take some shares out. It don't have to be your whole position. You could take some shares here and there out if you want to, right? All right, so what we have here is the trampoline effect. We're right at the EMA 10. I think we're ready for takeoff, and we can get probably, I wouldn't doubt if we test this upper, maybe this upper $6 area right in here. I wouldn't doubt that right in here. But as you can say, if you're up 10 to 20%, take some profit, scale some out, trail stop it, and let's see if we can ride this thing up, guys. But yeah. This is looking very bullish. We consolidated in this tight range. We are waiting for a move out. And if you guys see this kind of pattern where it's up, down, up, down, up, down, and when you're at the EMAs like, the 5, 10, and 20 like this, big move is going to happen to the upside or downside. We all, if you didn't know that, that's what's happening here. It's getting ready for that big move. We had a run up. We were sprinting, right? We were definitely sprinting. We went from a low of $3 all the way to 12. We have to cool off, so we cool off, and now we're getting ready for the next run, But let the stock have a little break. I knew after it hit this EMA 10, yes, you should get your bounce effect, and you should make big money playing right in here. You hit your 10, bounce effect, hit the 10, bounce effect. We're right here at the 10 again. Do we get another bounce effect? I really think so, because I call that the trampoline. You're jumping on a trampoline. What's going to hold the stock up? This right here, this band here, and I'm loving it. Now let me show you guys where I like this. I'm going to switch my ATR to a setting that works with normal stocks. I loved AMC, and you can look at my videos. I am not just freaking making this up. On April 15th, or is it April 12th? I can't remember. I was calling AMC bullish short squeeze, pattern here, and I'm going to show you why. Just because it hits the upper band. Yes, we can buy puts and we make money on the downside, but we got to realize your best trend reversals is when nobody wants it. It's when people be like, oh, that's not worth it. I don't see. Do the opposite of what people think, and I promise you will make money, right? Right here, I use time distance. We hit the EMA 10 right in 20 at 327. Guess what? We don't hit the EMA 10 for some time. And the reason why that's extremely bullish is we know price reversed to the mean. And that's going to be your EMA 10 and your EMA 20. Why did I like it down here? Because look, we are hitting an ATR, average true range of 4, close to the lower band. And look what price does. We shoot up to the EMA 5. Because that is an easy target. Price has to hit the EMA 5. I use that a lot for instant gains, and there's your 10%. Instant lock-in 10%, and then you get an instant lock-in another 10% on the EMA 10, and then another instant lock of another 10% on the EMA 20, and then another 8%. This thing has climbed dramatically. Would I have expected this thing to go up and go meme stock crazy hype? No, because right here on earnings, you should be out of the stock. It's just too risky, and it goes down some, right? But look at my videos right here. Loved it for the bottom reversal. That's my bread and butter type of play, guys. If you guys see this in the Discord, or in my Discord, you see these type of plays, and if you're my subscriber, you need to join the Discord, as you're going to learn the most. But this is right here is the bread and butter, and I'm going to show you some more bread and butter for AMC right in here. You had time distance not hitting your 10 and 20. Guess what happens? We shoot up and hit the 10, and we shoot up to hit the 20 over here, because it has to do it. It's called the reversion to the mean. Price has to correct. Here's the last touch right in here. Boop, boop, boop. Accumulate. Hit the 10, 5. Hit the 10 over here. 20 way up here. There's no perfect strategy, guys. I'm going to be realistic. I took a long time to develop this strategy. I know trading momentum types of stocks like right up in here are going to give you your biggest moves. This is where price tells us where we're going. It's going to be a big move up or a big move down. I'm hinting at the big move up. We had a big rally up in here. We had a big sell-off, and we're looking very bullish on the trampoline effect. If price goes under this big candle here, I would call it quits, right? Because we're way below the EMA 20. This is where we started to take off. I don't see that happening. That would be my stop loss, way below this big candle here. I am bullish. I I give valid reasons why. It's not just my gut feeling. It's just because of what I see on my chart. We have massive room up if we want to go to this upper band, so that's very nice. It's not like I'm saying, we should be buying it up in here with this big sell-off. Look how disgusting that chart looked. The shorts were, you were just, asking to get destroyed. I was even, looking to buy puts here. I love supporting bulls, but when it gets to this point, I'm like, game over. I know it's going down, and where is our first target? Is the bounce effect at EMA 5. EMA 10 is where I want to buy. That's my trampoline effect. EMA 20 is this has to hold, this better hold. This is our last line of defense. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, this is your opportunity to do it. It's only $6 a month. It is 20 cents a day. It's probably the cheapest on all Discords, as I try to be unique. And I'm going to give you guys the value of probably, a Discord that's probably worth at least $200 a month. And I've been in other Discords that cost that, and I was a losing trader because there was no transparency, which is nice that I learned, and there was no why you take the trade. It's just, this trade looks good based on a pumping advice. It has this short float, and none of this is going to matter. You need to see why you're looking at it at a chart basis. The chart does not lie to us. This tells us where we're going to revert to the mean, and we can take all the bias out of it. We don't have to be like, well, I think AMC should be up. Well, according to the data, we get sell-offs at around this level here. So we know we can't be looking at extreme levels. We need to first, see where we can go. It's just nice to see. Yes, can we keep going higher and higher? If it tugs that upper band, absolutely. But it's going to create some crazy short interest we need, right? So if you get it, if you join the Discord, I'll put the link down below into the YouTube comments. And in my YouTube description, it'll be pinned to the comments. Just scroll below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. When you click that link down below into the YouTube comments, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is first read how to subscribe. This is very important knowledge, and then read avoid scammers. I have to say this because a lot of people are trying to scam other members and use my reputation, my logo. That is not me. I will not DM you first, and I don't offer mere trading. If you guys want to see my alerts, what you need to do is head on over to the subscriptions area here and hit premium chat. When you hit this, it will opt you to subscribe for only $6 a month. I'm telling you, if this is not something to dip your toes in, I don't even know if you should, it's $6. You're putting thousands of dollars in the market. I have lost so much money, just trading based on gut feeling, till I, took the time and said, no more. I'm not going to lose any more money. I'm going to try to figure out, why is the market doing this? What happens on this, and what is the probabilities? That's what it is having an edge with a nice, back test to it. And then if you win more than you lose, that's all that matters. So based on this system, I lost one trade in the past 8 months. So it's an over 95% win ratio. And I've kind of looked at why I lost it, and honestly, I was an idiot for taking the trade. No, but we all are human. We all have emotions. So, I totally get it, but the system should avoid a lot of your emotions because you should only do what it says. So when you join, hit RTK Swing Trades if you want to see my alerts. They look like this. You get a tag on your phone. I will put the tag on, and you get notified on your phone. If you're working, I know a lot of people do. So you get that. Education videos, please watch all these videos. How to accumulate reversals, how to be profitable with these indicators. These are so important to watch. Because I can get your chart to look exactly like mine if you watch the indicator. Another is the RTK journal. I did start this recently on May 14th, so give me some time. I am journaling all my recent trades just to prove to people that I do win a lot of these trades, and I'm very transparent. So I want you guys to see it's also something to see what is my actual trades. If you guys want to see what trades I'm actually in, you look at the journal and you can see my average and then my wins and losses. Hope everyone enjoyed this video. This is AMC. My bread and butter is buying it down in here in this area at the bottom band, but I do like this for a momentum type of trade. Don't get me wrong. I think there's some big upside. Obviously, take profit on the lay. No one can tell you exactly the topping point this is going to go to, but I think we are forming a nice, beautiful leg up. And you can also see right in here, we're forming higher lows on the chart. It's looking very bullish. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. And it really does help. I know it seems tedious, but it helps the algorithm to share it to other people. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Peace out, and love you all.